Woo! Good morning. As the title suggests, we're going to rip out some smart lighting panels today. Not very smart, is it? Yeah, I believe that they are going faulty and flashing the lights, not dimming. I've spoke to the client on WhatsApp because I can't actually go and look because it's about an hour and 20 away for us. So we're going to go and get James, get some fuel. We're going to get James, get some fuel, and then we're going to get to the job and show you. Yeah, he's never far from a coffee or a packet of biscuits. So what we got here is some old iLight smart lighting dimmers. These are going all faulty now. The heat these give off when they're on and the buzz is horrible. So what they do, they've got a 40 amp feed that comes into the panel because these all used to be halogens. We've got to change all the lights to LED hue. So each room, say dining room, will have a cable that goes out and feeds all of the lights. So we're going to rip these panels out, put separate banks of switches in here to feed the lights permanently, but obviously the client can turn them off if he wants. And then we'll fit the hue lamps and he'll set it up on his app. But we've got to terminate this 10mm into an isolator and then distribute this into a set of light switches, basically. We're also going to rip this out. This is an old gate transformer supply. And then here's the data cable, which Daisy changed to the panels, which is what controls, there's no actual feed to it's just a low voltage data cable that runs around the light switches. So that'll be getting disconnected. Is get these panels ripped out today. We'll just do one, go and get all the bits for all of them because they'll all be the same, and then we can crack on and then change all the lights tomorrow, whenever. Okay, let's get it on today. I should. I left that one there on purpose.
Did you?
Just to hold it for me. I should get the guts out. Look. Oh, look at that.
You can use it.
Look at that. Look. Oh, there's a lot of Right. So the little transformers and dimmers and stuff.
Yeah.
Lovely. Absolutely lovely. What have you done?
Got my fingers down.
You know what you are? Absolute sausage. He stuck his finger in 25mm bush. Right, look, I'll strip the panel out. Well, James is moaning behind me. That one won't come out. I'll reuse that. I'll probably disconnect, get rid of two of these. New bank of switches there. This is fed by a 10mm on a 40. We'll change that for a 10 amp RCBO. Give us RCD protection on all the lighting now because it hasn't got any at the minute. But and then any holes we'll put some fire grommets in and bank of switches here, and then that will feed the lights permanently, and then we can control via that app. There we go. Oh, it's free. Oh, we can get that. We can get that. Look, we're gonna have 4 banks, so 12. They're the yokes, the yokers like that. And then we're going to put the switches in. We've got rotary isolators, some blanks, because they're not going to have 12 switches, but it's best to have more. And then some switches, MK, 1 gang switches. We've got some bits to follow tomorrow, so we're going to go. What's up? Good? TLC, good lads. Sorted this out again. Slough branch. Harry, sorry mate. Cheating on you.
Do they only have 2?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, we can do 2, can't we? Where's the plates? Do you have any plates?
What plates?
The front plates. Oh, look.
There's no plates.
He doesn't put them in.
That's at the bottom.
Surface plate, 3 I bought.
What's this?
1. That's it, yeah, 1. Look, there we go. 1 plate. So 2 to come tomorrow. James. Okay, this is what we got. 2 fire grommets, 1 isolator to terminate the 10mm, which will be fused down to 10 amps because this is all going to be wired in 1mm. All these are going to go in here, be stripped back, each have an individual switch to where they're going basically. So yeah, isolator, couldn't really terminate that into a light switch, so rotor isolator seemed like a good choice. Oh, the lights come on. Right, the mains is terminated. That'll be a 1mm feed, hence the reason I'm going to fuse this down to 10 amps. Board is just literally there. All made off, relabeled, and now we're short some bits, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, so they're coming tomorrow, so we'll get this one done and on, see how it's all working. We might even try and do some lights on these circuits today. Right, putting a yoke in, linking all the earths, running a fly lead, and then ones to correspond with that one will go there. Old school connector block with the neutrals, linked up to another one, corresponds with these. Next one will correspond there, and then that'll be that one done. Right, got all the switches, which will now switch banks of lights. We haven't got the 6 amp RCBOs for today, so we'll have to just limit what gets put on to this circuit at the minute. Oh, hopefully, you can see that. There you go, 1, 2, 3, marked up. 2 more. But this is what they're doing, look. Panels on there. From there. So yes, flashing a lot. These are the LV on the transformers, so we rip them out and then connect the cables to the lamp holder. That's been sat on the transformer, look. Lucky. Thanks. Look, there's a smart lamp. That's the hue bezel, if you like. And they give you the lamp holder, which we're flexing up with because it's double insulated. That's it. So we did that about, what, 2 years, James? 2.5 years ago. Put that one up. Where'd it come from? Lithuania. Something like that, yeah. Quite nice. Righty ho. Right, we've just done these two quick in here. This is them on. As you can see, that one there is a different colour because it is an emergency fitting, which we haven't taken out yet. A couple of them, the boxes are damaged, so we got to get some new boxes. But yeah, we got another, how many? 90?
89.
89 lights to change and the 2 switches in that cupboard, and then the client's going to set them up on the HAP. So we'll be back tomorrow to replicate this 2 more times, but the bits, I haven't got the bits yet. They were short, a couple of these plates, some switches and stuff. So we'll go around and do a load of lamps. When I get the call, we'll get the bits, and we'll see how much we can get done in 1 more day. Comes the sock. Batteries. Right, these lights, I haven't had these lights on for a while in here because the panels are faulty. So if you look there, we've got a IP rated light above the shower cubicle. James gone to get the tape measure just to check that for me. I think what I'm going to do is put a JCC fire guard in there with a hue lamp, and then these are outside of zone, so they should be okay with IP44, but he's gone to get tape measure so we can check. So we've just taken a measurement. These are 2.5, so we'll put an IP65 in there, and these will be IP44 rated, no different to a baton holder. 30 amp. Look at that. I mean, come on. Basic. You need to just improve, James. I'll have to change this now, what you've done there, mate. All right. Because that can't, yeah, that'd be all right, wouldn't it? We just tape that. Yeah, it's good. Right, rip that one out. I'm just going to mount this, same as this. Can you hear that? That's the buzz off that panel. I've got to disconnect ensuite spotlights and wall lights, which are just angled spotlights, put them into this switch for tonight to get them on. So They've had no lights in there, so there's the next one. Tin spots, under cabinet, family room, toilet, study, master. Marvellous. Oh, good morning. Woohoo! Is it cold enough? I haven't got a battery in it. Last day on this job, I've ordered the elusive MEM Bill Mamira 2000 Eaton. What else do you want to call them? RCBO pods. You're not there, like, if you're a Sparks. Bloody gold dust. Yeah, we're going to go get James, get something to eat, go to the job, get this one smashed out, and then you'll be watching it. I'm filming this because obviously you've seen us do 2 of these, but we're just going to put the mains into the isolator, link it with some cable. We can lid this, make all these off into their relevant switches, label it like this, and then change some lights. A 3-way.
That's what we got.
Oh, lovely. Okay. Pretty short, look. Tubes of view. Right, there we go. 3 banks of switches, 3 isolators, all lidded. We just need, when we come back next week, I'll talk to you about it in a minute. We've got some grommets, 25mm to go in. We've done the kitchen ones today, and we've discovered, now we've got an RCBO, that from here, that way there's a lighting fault between neutral and earth. Wasn't present when it was on an MCB. But now we've introduced these 3 RCBOs. It doesn't like it, okay? So we've got to find that when we come back and change a load of spots. We've got to change those ones up there. Probably bring a ladder for that, but yeah, that's it on this one.